Hey y'all, it's Dora. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a very quick, loose, and colorful poinsettia bouquet. Start with the center, just paint lots of dots that form a circle. I made these dots lots of different colors just for added variation. From there I start with the light pink petals. These are supposed to be the first layer of the poinsettia, which are the largest. Next, I add some orange petals in between the pink ones. I paint them close to the pink ones in order to leave room for the red ones. Last, I paint the red ones, which are supposed to be the smallest petals. However, if you get stuck like I did and paint one right here, you can't really make it that small or else you'd have a big gap. So I just decided to make this one a big one as well. Snuggle the next flower close to the first one. After I painted these flowers, I added leaves. I did not know that I was going to add the third flower, so my suggestion is if you're going to do 3 flowers, don't add the leaves until all the flowers are painted. Here I am using a small pointed stylus to add veins in the leaves. I love the way the leaves look with this. You could wait until the leaves dried to paint some veins on, but this is just, it's completely up to you. Poinsettias have so many leaves that peek out from behind the flower, so I add lots and lots of leaves here. Some singles, others in pairs. The trick to painting the pair of leaves is to make sure that they're kind of facing away from each other. Also, whenever you're painting the pair of leaves, make sure that they are different colors or tones. I regret not painting leaves here. Rather than trying to paint petals that are peeking through the top flower, I could have just stacked a few cute leaves on each other. So now that the last flower is complete, I am just painting a few leaves around it. To complete the bouquet, you could add filler flowers or maybe some berries. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if this video helped or inspired you, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and inspiration.